Hi friends, welcome to Scribbles from Emily. Today I've got the first video in my installment of 12 days of Christmas DIYs. So today we're going to be doing some West Elm hacks with things that I found at the dollar store. So I hope you enjoy. If you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications so you can get notified of all of the upcoming 12 days of Christmas DIY videos and so you don't miss any. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. For my first DIY or buy, I decided to do these white nutcrackers. These were selling for $40 for the smallest one, up to $70. Right now they happen to be on sale. I'm gonna do it with this little guy that I got for 50 cents at the dollar store. I'm not really sure why he was marked down because nothing seems to be wrong with him, but I'll take it. So the first thing I needed to do was remove the hair on him. So I just peeled off his beard and trimmed off his hair. Wasn't too hard to get it off. And then with all the glue picked off, I had a clean canvas and I could start painting. So I just used some white chalk paint. It dries really matte and it will stick to a slippery plastic surface like this. I ended up doing 2 coats of paint and that gave me pretty good coverage. And that is it. So for 50 cents versus West Elm's $40 version, I feel like that turned out really well. For my second project, I wanted to recreate this forest in a glass ball ornament. I'm using this plastic ball from the Dollar Tree and then some bottle brush trees that I got on Amazon for super cheap. The first step is to bleach your trees. So just put them in a mixture of bleach and water, about equal parts. I put in a little bit extra bleach to bleach them faster. And then I painted the bottom of the ornament white on the inside and the outside and added some Epsom salt while the paint was still wet. That gives it a nice kind of glittery, snowy finish. And then I added some modeling clay to stick the trees into. But honestly, I think you might be better off trying to use hot glue for this because the clay was a little bit tricky. Once your trees are bleached, then you can dye them. And so I'm just using red food coloring to get a nice light pink color. And then the blue is actually just lightly bleached. Like I only put the tree in the bleach for a couple seconds and then it turned this nice kind of bright blue color. And then the third tree, I'm just leaving the natural bleached color. And that is it. So that is my finished forest ornament. For this one, since the original from West Elm only cost $10, would you buy it? Of course, the advantage to DIYing it is you could make the trees any color you wanted. So go ahead and vote in the poll that I'll post up above. For my final West Elm recreation, I'm going to take on this wooden tree advent calendar. This one's on sale too for about $50, originally $80. I just happened to find this little wooden house at the thrift store. I think it's going to turn out pretty cute. Bleaching and dyeing my bottle brush trees using the same method as before and then hot gluing them in. To get the light blue, I actually used blue watercolor and just painted it on and that worked really well. And that's all there was to my little advent calendar. Between the two, I think mine turned out pretty well. I mean, it's a lot smaller, but still $80 for the wooden advent tree calendar seems like a lot. So those are my 3 buy or DIY West Elm recreations. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Which one was your favorite and which would you buy or DIY? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next installment of our 12 days of Christmas DIYs. And give this video a thumbs up below if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much.